So I'm here with Wyn Thomas, Aber Town assistant manager and defender. It's a cool game of football.
Yes, very cool, but the lads performed magnificently today. We came with a game plan and we executed it quite well, but down to the referee, I think it was today, which was unfortunately because we deserved a lot more.
Well, you were 2-1 up with about 5 minutes to go. How gutting is it that you just great free kick, make it 2-2, then 3-2, it's a killer.
Yeah, like I say, football's a funny game, but we deserved more. Everyone knows that in the change room. Mark Jones went through at the end there that should have scored. That would have made it 3-2 to us, and I think we would have won the game from there. But no, it was unfortunate. They scored from set plays, 2 penalties and a free kick, which the lad took well, to be fair to him. But there we are. We move on next week, and we've got TNS at home, which everyone's looking forward to.
For our second goal, you had a great assist with her, nearly scoring yourself.
Yeah. Over the years, I've had a few goals myself, but I saw a chance to go up, and thankfully the ball come on. A good header, good save by the keeper, but Luke Sherbs was there to clean up and put us in front.
You're a good player, but we're down to bare bones, so it's a bit of air for you to get a start.
Yeah. It was nice, to be honest. I do miss playing. Obviously, I want to get into the coaching role at Aberystwyth, which I enjoy thoroughly because I got a lot of knowledge to feed back to the players, because I can help them to be better players, which is something I like doing, which is something I try to encourage on others. So, but yeah, it was nice to play, to be honest. But well, once in a blue moon was nice, but the performance went well, and unfortunately we lost today.
So you got no eyes on extending your lead then?
Yeah, well,
your record.
There's always eyes on that, but if we got the full strength, then I leave it up to the boys, because we've got enough quality to play, and we've got enough quality to win games.
So today you say Mark Jones nearly scored. I thought he had a great game up front, hold play went very well.
Yeah, Mark Jones, he likes coming to Airbus, because we've been here before, and he scored a great goal. He played ever so well today, up like you say, on his own. He seems to batter defenders, to be fair to him. He's a strong boy, he's a strong unit. Unfortunately today it was just that guile that he missed with the one-on-one chance, but it was a definite penalty which we should have had, which the ref should have given. But unfortunately it was a bad day at the office for him.
Then next week we've got another harder game against TNS in front of SVC cameras. Maybe another cameo appearance from you? Yeah,
well, if called upon, I'd be there. But no, this is what the top six about now. It's where we want to be. It's where the players want to be. The club want to be. The TNS, the Airbus, the Ballas, week in, week out, and this is where you see where the best players come. They turn up week in, week out, playing well. And no, it's good. It's good at the moment. The club's doing well, and that's what we want to see.
Oh, TNS unbeaten in the league, but they still haven't beaten Aber.
No. TNS is a great club. We know their winning mentality and things like that. But on the day, Welsh Prem, you never know. But it'll be hard. It'll be hard. But we'll regroup on Tuesday. We'll have a game plan. And hopefully on match day that the 11 turn up and perform and get something out of the game.